and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Lifetime Expressions large register books. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts tab, we'll select Large Register Book. Next, we'll go into the Print Info button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. As you can see, the first page of our register book has generated separately from the rest of the book. This is because the first page is our title page, and we want to make sure that nothing prints on the back of this. To proceed, we'll look at the rest of the document to be sure that everything has generated correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print. We'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper, and we're going to flip on the long edge because it is a portrait template. You'll notice on the right-hand side that the document size and page size do not match in width and height. We'll want to make sure that they do before we print. To do that, we'll go into the Advanced Properties and make a few changes at the bottom. Underneath Document Size, we'll want to choose Custom Paper Size. Orientation will remain with Portrait. We'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Next, we have our paper type, and this will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. Next, because it is a custom page size, we'll go into the Detailed Settings and specify our custom paper size to the 7.5 by 11 that we saw on the previous page. At this point, you can register your current settings by naming your one-click preset here and selecting OK. Once you've done this, an icon will appear above. By clicking on this icon on future cases, the below settings will import into the next case. That way, all you have to do is click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.